Dark Coltart has filed criminal charges against ZANU-PF Central Committee member Tinashe, who was filmed snatching his phone, and Nicholas Amadziripi seen slapping him at City Sports Center on Tuesday. Zarabina mashoko obuda panguva inoi achinzi panguva inoi tiriona kuti the son wa David Coltart unofaila macriminal charges vana vakomana vakauya vakatora foni yake pamwechete nekumuassaulta. Panguva inoi unovasungisa ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Zvobuda pachena kuti Douglas Coltart is a true and patriotic Zimbabwe. Panapa BBC inobudanyira chiti Dark Coltart was born in Zimbabwe. He stays in Zimbabwe in a good or a bad situation. He fought many battles in courts for Zimbabweans who can't help themselves, including those in ZANU-PF, because he loves Zimbabweans more than those who are in power today. Those who are in leadership today, their kids don't go to Zimbabwean school because they don't believe in Zimbabwe. Their children stay in Europe, Eastern and developing African countries because they don't believe in Zimbabwe. And it's funny to have them telling us that they are patriotic Zimbabweans, calling other Zimbabwean sellouts, yet they are the real sellouts. We can't mention names, but you know that some of their kids in prison in other countries because of the same behavior of thinking that they can do whatever they want, like what they are doing to Zimbabweans in Zimbabwe, and nobody does anything to them. Doma developments arikubuda panguva ino atiri kuona kuti Coltart unofaila macharges pama ZANU-PF members avo akamuassaulta, and also zvobuda pachena kuti this man is a true Zimbabwean anotofaitira for maZimbabweans kuti upenyu hwavo pachiri macases avo apere zvakanaka. Pinda kumasection medu zvafungura imoto pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.